Yo, what's up guys? You're back with your man TechNick, your go-to guy for videos on the latest tech. Now today, it's all about the latest tech. I have the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 with me today. It actually only went on sale today. It was launched last week Thursday, and I am hella excited to get this going. I was such a fan of the Mix 2S. I have the 8GB, 128GB Onyx Black version. This is an unboxing video, so stay tuned for my full review. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're still yet to subscribe, smash that button down below. And without further ado, let's go. Let's pop this open. Beauty. Look at that. Put that to the side for now. Okay, so nothing in here. And the most exciting thing of why this box is bigger is because Xiaomi have included a free wireless charger. And not like they did with their top tier version with the Mi Mix 2S. They actually included with all their versions, even their bottom of the range 6GB 128GB RAM version. I have the 8GB 128GB version. And here it is. There it is. It would have been nice to be black to match the color of the phone, but it feels great and I can't wait to test it out and let you guys know how it performs in the full review. Quick charger over here. USB Type-C cable over here, which is great to see. Battery only 3200 milliamps, is a bit small, but remember this time the Mix now adapts an AMOLED screen similar to its Mi 8, and that AMOLED screen helps with the battery quite significantly, so it should perform relatively similar to its older brother. 3.5mm jack cable to Type-C, since there is no jack on the phone. And then we have a wonderful hard case black cover. Now I've had many free covers from different phones, and I must say the ones from Xiaomi have always outclassed the rest. This is a cover that I would actually spend money on. Looking at the actual phone, here's the ceramic back. Just as impressive and beautiful as the Mix 2S I had before it. It does pick up some smudges. Similar camera style, fingerprint sensor right over there. All looks great, no gold trim unfortunately. I really did like that, but the Mix logo over here does have the gold trim. This actually feels a lot more curved on the edges here. Then on the side we have the AI button, which is great, and we have the SIM tray. At the top, it's nice and flat, no antenna lines. We have the volume rocker and power button on the right hand side, and we have two speakers over here, sandwiching a USB Type-C port. The thing I'm excited for the most with this phone is that it is actually a slider phone, and I haven't had a slider phone since probably 2010 when I had my BlackBerry Torch still. There's a tiny bit of a chin, definitely less than others I've seen, and wow, look at that. That is epic. Here we go. This feels great to do. Looking at the back, this is a bit of a textured feel to it. Front, it's all glossy. So let's go ahead and power this on and really show off this AMOLED panel. This is a Samsung AMOLED panel. MIUI 10, which is a skin over Android 9 Pie, which is great. Oh, ooh, ooh. So there you guys have it, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. If you are excited as I am about this phone, please hit up a comment down below. I'll be bringing you guys a full review on this beast of a 2018 slider phone and my impressions on it in a week or two, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I really don't think I'm gonna get bored of doing this with either this or the Honor Magic 2 when it releases next week. So thanks for watching guys, as always, and until next time, this is TechNick.